Hey there, fellow food enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the incredible world of culinary adventures. Today, we have a fascinating topic that has been creating quite a buzz lately. What happens when you start eating 3 eggs a day? Now, we all know that eggs are a breakfast staple, but have you ever wondered what could possibly occur if you upped your egg game to 3 a day? Well, get ready, because we're about to dive into the unexpected journey of this egg-cellent experiment. Before we get cracking, pun intended, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, so you never miss out on our exciting food explorations. Now, let's jump right into it. Segment 1. Nutritional value of eggs. Before we jump into the effects, let's talk about the nutritional value of eggs. Eggs are a fantastic source of protein, vitamins, and minerals. They contain all 9 essential amino acids, making them a complete protein source. Additionally, eggs are rich in vitamins A, D, E, and B complex, as well as minerals like iron and selenium. Segment 2. Improved nutrient intake. By adding 3 eggs to your daily diet, you significantly enhance your nutrient intake. The increased protein content promotes muscle growth and repair, while vitamins and minerals contribute to overall health. We'll explore how these nutrients positively impact your body and well-being. Segment 3. Enhanced brain function. Did you know that eggs contain choline, a nutrient crucial for brain health? Consuming 3 eggs a day can provide a significant amount of choline, which helps in the production of neurotransmitters and supports cognitive function. We'll discuss the potential cognitive benefits you may experience. Segment 4. Impact on cholesterol levels. There has been some concern about eggs and cholesterol, but research suggests that dietary cholesterol does not necessarily raise blood cholesterol levels in most people. We'll delve into the studies and clarify the relationship between egg consumption and cholesterol, offering insights on how you can incorporate eggs into a heart-healthy diet. Segment 5. Weight management and satiety. If you're looking to manage your weight, incorporating 3 eggs into your daily meals might be beneficial. The high protein content of eggs promotes satiety, making you feel fuller for longer. We'll explore how this can potentially aid weight loss or weight maintenance goals. Segment 6. Skin and hair benefits. Eggs are not just good for your internal health but also for your external appearance. The vitamins and minerals found in eggs can contribute to healthy skin and hair. We'll uncover the potential benefits of eggs for your skin and hair, and share some tips on using eggs in natural beauty treatments. Conclusion. But wait, there's more. We'll also explore some myths and misconceptions surrounding eggs and discuss the potential risks of overconsumption. It's crucial to strike the right balance, and we'll guide you through it. So, if you're ready to crack into a world of exciting flavors, improved health, and amazing transformations, don't forget to hit that like button and let's get started on this egg-cellent journey together. Thank you for joining us today. Make sure to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. And remember, keep exploring, keep experimenting, and keep making every meal an adventure. Stay tuned for more incredible content, and until next time, happy egg eating!